breakfast today using the Instant Pot. If you're wondering what we're making oatmeal. So the number one ingredient you need is Irish steel cut oatmeal, 1 cup of it. Then you get your toppings, brown sugar, goji berries, or whatever you want. And then you need 3 cups of filtered water. Let's start by adding 1 cup of oats into the Instant Pot. So you open the Instant Pot, you pour your 1 cup of oats, make sure all of it gets out. Now you're going to take 3 cups of water, dump that in with the oats. After you pour in your water, you're going to set the timer for 10 minutes on pressure cook. But first, make sure your seal is on seal. Pressure cook for 10 minutes. See you guys when we get back. We are back after 12 minutes of natural releasing, but there still might be some buildup in pressure. So you can come in your quick release and vent it open. Make sure you get all of it out before opening it. After all the pressure is released, there will be a little silver dot right here that was up before, now it should be down. That means it will open. So you open it up, oh, really hot. Put your lid down, you take your spoon and mix it up to thicken it. Time to present. Take however much oatmeal you're going to eat, you pour it into your bowl. Now you can put whatever toppings you want, like dried blueberries, goji berries, black sugar, honey, and just make it your taste. I made mine, I just used goji berries and brown sugar. But make sure you guys come back, subscribe, like, share with your friends for more content.